Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on colour correction, or I guess colour correction within the camera with the Canon C100. Okay, it's really simple. It's literally just about white balance. Okay, so on the C100, sorry, I went out of frame there. On the C100, you have a little thing here. This little button. Sorry, let's get back to that. Let's just get it in focus so you can see what it looks like. WB, white balance. Okay. You want to press that and you're going to get this little screen to pop up here. Okay. And you can see, if I shift through, you might not be able to see it. K, AWB, A, B, a sun, and a light bulb. Okay. I'm only going to show you a couple of them. But the first one, the light bulb, is an automatic setting for when you're inside. Okay, and I'm sure you can understand that the sun is an automatic one for when you're outside. Okay, now let's go up to AWB, automatic white balance. Okay, if you're shooting video, you don't want this. Photos, it's okay, but with loads of people moving around, you don't want automatic white balance because it's going to keep changing and it won't look good. Now what we want is K, okay, for Kelvin. Kelvin, sorry. And, oh, I've gone off that then. And this is just an automatic setting, okay? So it's on 5000K at the moment. And you just adjust it. You notice the higher it gets, the more orange your shot gets. Okay? And the lower down you go, let's go right down, the more blue your shot gets. Now, I can't do it here because it's just me here. But what you want to do is get someone with skin colour in frame. Well, anyone with skin, really. In frame, and you just want to adjust K so that they look how they look naturally, okay? And that will adjust your white balance. And it is that simple. Thank you very much for watching and have a great rest of your day.